Today let's discuss about the term doctor. By definition, a physician or a medical doctor is a person who uses medicines to treat illnesses and injury to improve patient's health. But in truth, the term doctor refers to the one who help to maintain or restore the physical and mental health naturally. Acupuncture philosophy says that our body is a doctor because it is the one which helps to maintain or restore both our physical and mental health naturally. Would you like to know how? Let's get into the video. You already know that life force or the vital energy is the one which maintains smooth functioning of our body. Till this age, we live together with our body, aren't we? If so, then it is we who knows very well about ourselves rather than the physicians. Right? We know what to eat, what not to eat, which food is accepted by our body, which food is allergic to us. Everything only we know ourselves. Then, what is the purpose served by the physicians? The main reason or the problem is we forgot to speak with ourselves. To rectify this problem, we need to start speaking with ourselves. How to do so? First, we should start listening to our inner self, what it tries to say us. Because it is the doctor for each and everyone. For example, if we feel hungry, who will tell us that? Is anyone externally come and tell us that you are feeling hungry right now and you have to eat the food? Or the inner self indicates it? Obviously, it is our inner self which will indicate that right now you are feeling hungry and you have to have the food right away. Correct? Then why do you need someone outside to come and tell us that you have such and such problem and need to be resolved? As per our thumb rule, we should eat only when we feel hungry and drink water when we feel thirsty. We need to identify when we are feeling hungry and take the food. Or else eating unnecessarily will accumulate more toxins in our body. Because there is a saying that is divine nectar becomes poison when taken in excess. Here I would like to share my own experience. Some years ago, I had a pain in both my feet that was red, swollen, often at pricking pain, even much worsening pain which was unbearable, and I used to get the pain in the middle of the night, around say 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. That will again lead to not sleeping over full night. I was crying literally it was the pain which is more than the labor pain. So that much pain I was experiencing. What will one do with such pain? Like everyone, I too went and saw many specialists, orthopedic specialists, neurological specialists. Everyone took many tests, laboratory tests, X-ray scans, nerve conduction. That nerve conduction test is, my God, that is so painful. They did it with the electric current. All the tests came normal. What to say? Doctors were unanswerable. They themselves was not able to find out what is the cause of my pain. Tested for diabetic, BP, everything was normal. Physically, I was fit, but I had some symptoms of pain. It was not known. It was unknown. They are not able to find it out. One doctor finally said, if you keep on searching the cause, there is no way. You have to take the treatment. And he said, it is kind of autoimmune disease with unknown cause. and he put me on steroids. See, you know what steroids give the after effects. We can't keep on taking the steroids. To some point, I took, and I immediately, along with that, I keep on searching the other ways also. Is there any permanent way? Is there any way to cure it permanently? But something suddenly came for me, and I stopped everything, all the tablets, everything. I was just listening to myself. I was talking to it. Why I got such a pain? What is the reason? Why should I take steroids when I am physically fit? Then somehow I got cured. All my root cause problems are resolved. Finally, I found that there was an imbalance in my energy. Due to energy imbalance, the symptoms came out as a disease. But physically, there was no problem. The pain reduced when took the steroids also. I learned that it is not true. Only the medicines removes the sensation of the nerves which sends pain signals. Then only I came to know that is the main cause for the side effects of the steroids. Because pain is not cured, the disease is also not cured, but the effects that toxins of the chemicals of that medicines will be stored up in the body itself. Later on, it will create more problem. So, when you start listening to your inner self and follow your body language, your body will stay healthy forever, both your body and mind. So friends, anyone who resonate with my story, let me know how you handle that situation. Followed your inner self or not? Comment below your understanding. Thank you.